and welcome back to part 2 or episode 2 of our extreme exterior transformation. We have been working really hard on getting our exterior prepped and ready to be painted. We are going to be picking a paint color today. We have a ton more prep work we have to do, and we're going to be really giving the exterior of our house a huge makeover. The shape of the home is very Victorian, kind of folk style. It's just beautiful, and it has a lot of details that I really adore in old homes. A huge backyard, which was one of our selling points that I really loved about this house. We have beautiful flowers. You can hear the birds chirping in the morning. This is our first home, so I feel very fortunate to have a beautiful space like this that we can totally do whatever we want to do. So many people in my family have told me to change it up, give it some color, make it fun, because originally my plan was to do it white, keep it white, but that wouldn't have been much of a transformation at all. I got 10 samples from Samplize, and I'm really excited about them. Now, these were all found online, so they can look totally different up on the wall. This wall, as opposed to our other, like the front side of the house, will look totally different as well. So we have to kind of test a few areas to make sure that we're gonna like what we pick. I literally had to turn around for you guys because the fact that our house is so white, the sun is reflecting off of it, and my camera's having a really hard time focusing. But these are the 10 samples that I got from Samplize that we're gonna be putting the big swatches on the house. So this gives y'all a really good look at some of the colors that we're gonna do. We have a lot of blues, kind of grayish blues, and some green options. That's really what I want to go for. Something natural, something a little bit more neutral, not super bright, a little bit more on the pale side, but not too pale. It has to have a little bit of color. So I have y'all in a shaded spot, so hopefully the camera can pick up some of these colors, but we're gonna start up with our first one. This is Benjamin Moore Wood Lawn Blue, and I really like this one because it looks like a grayish blue. It's not too blue that has like some purple in it. This one is also Benjamin Moore. This one is Wales Gray, but a little bit more gray. Smoke by Benjamin Moore. Silver Gray by Benjamin Moore. Rain by Sherwin-Williams. Glass Slipper by Benjamin Moore. This one is Seesaw by Sherwin-Williams. This one was one of my favorites in the store because it's like a bluish green. And this confused me. We have a Wood Lawn Blue by Benjamin Moore and a Woodland Green by Benjamin Moore. They're very similar, but one is blue and one is green. As I suspected, my camera's having a really hard time actually like giving y'all the colors that I put up here because the house is so white. It's just really struggling. And even my phone is not giving y'all the full grasp of what these colors actually look like. But we're gonna continue on, and I'm gonna give y'all at least 3 that I love, and we're gonna move locations because maybe it's just this side of the house that it's really struggling with. As I stand back, I can already tell the ones that I do not like. So let's go ahead and start with that. I don't like this one. It's way too gray. It doesn't have nearly enough blue as I would like. This one is Rain by Sherwin-Williams. It's a contender. It may be a little bit too blue, but it's a possibility. We have Wood Lawn Blue, which I really like. So far, this one's one of my favorites. This one is Wales Gray, too gray. Smoke, not bad, a contender. Silver Gray, no. Pale Smoke, no. Glass Zipper, no. Seesaw by Sherwin-Williams, and I do like it on our house, so that's a contender. And Woodlawn Green. With that one being said, I like 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 contenders and the rest are no's. I have y'all on the front porch now, and I can already tell it's doing much better in my camera. So hopefully you guys can actually see what these colors look like. They're very beautiful. And I've already decided on 4. Like, these are our 4 contenders, so we're gonna be picking from these 4, which is really good. This one is Woodlawn Green. It's definitely more green if that's what we're going for. It's really between green or blue. It's kind of like what we got going on. This one is Sherwin-Williams Seesaw. I really love this one on some of my inspiration photos. Love that you can peel and stick these. Like, it makes it so much easier and less messy. I don't know why I haven't done this sooner. And it's the same as fun. Like, a sample of paint. Like, you're paying the same price. You can move them around. You don't have to like go and swatch your whole house. This one is Smoke by Benjamin Moore. Also a really pretty color. It's definitely more gray than blue. And this one I really love. This is Woodlawn Blue by Benjamin Moore. Maybe you guys can now see better, like my little cheat sheet. This has all the colors that I got for samples. So the top, and then these three over here, those are our contenders that are over here on the wall right now. The bottom two are beautiful, a tad too dark. If they were a few shades lighter, I think I would love them. Want something light and airy and cottagey and cozy kind of feel. These top two I adore. They're beautiful. One's green and one's blue. So it's like, which route do we go for? I feel like in my gut, it's telling me to go the blue route. The thing about it is we have our cabinetry already made, already painted. My grandfather made our beautiful kitchen cabinets. Like, they are custom kitchen cabinets, and we actually settled on the color French Gray by Farrow and Ball. But I feel like because we already have a green gray, I don't want to do the same thing on the outside, and that's what this sea salt is giving me. And my favorite color happens to be blue. I think we're gonna go with Woodlawn Blue. It's just this gorgeous blue gray that doesn't have too much gray, but really just makes it pop. So since we are painting tomorrow, I have my sprayer, I have like everything going on. We do need to tape off our windows so that we don't get paint on them. So that's gonna be what I'm working on for the rest of the day. Most of them are about 8 feet tall. So this is gonna take a little while, but I feel like it has to be done. There's no going around it. Like, this has to be done. So let's just do it. We gotta do it. Okay, you guys, I am sweating in literally every space possible. I have officially done all the windows. It took me all day, but that's okay because tomorrow we are painting. I'm going tonight to pick up our paint from Home Depot, and I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It is now the next day. It is super loud outside because everybody's doing yard work or housework, and it's about to get even louder because we are painting today. I'm so excited. This is the color Benjamin Moore Woodlawn Blue that we got paint matched in Bear paint. But the gentleman that helped us at Home Depot said that nowadays, because so many people are color matching things, they usually have the formulas for competitors like Benjamin Moore or Sherwin-Williams. If you're going into Bear, competitor formulas that they can use is just different tints. But he swatched it on my paper for me so that I could see how close it was, and like, you guys can't even see it. Like, it's literally an exact match. So I was super happy about that because I was very nervous that it was either gonna be too light or too dark. So we have our color and I have my sprayer here, so I'm gonna set it up and then we're gonna start spraying, which is a huge step in the right direction, but I cannot wait to see this house in a different color. It's going to be amazing. So come on, guys. Okay, you guys, it's looking really good. I'm definitely gonna need to do 2 coats of paint, I think. The last paint job that was done on the house was not very good, and that's back when we bought the home, and since then we've had to scrape, we've had to replace boards because of rotted wood. Like, I really don't want to have to come back and do this again. So since I'm already here doing this paint job, 2 to 3 coats of paint would be ideal. I'm almost done with the whole house and its first coat of paint. I believe it is about week 2 of painting our exterior, doing our extreme exterior transformation, and it has been raining very bad here in Texas. One of the reasons that we haven't been able to come over here and paint is because it's been raining every single day. So I'm back today because we actually have some sunshine. It's a beautiful day and we're going to be focusing on painting the trim. We are using ultra pure white and bare in a satin finish that's really going to make it pop.